Hello everybody, welcome back once again to the channel. And this is chapter 3, part 3 in the PC Masterclass. So when building a PC, one of the most important components that determines speed, multitasking ability, and overall system efficiency is the RAM, random access memory. But what exactly is RAM and why does it matter? Well, think of RAM as like your desktop space while working. The larger the desk, the more papers constantly you have to shuffle things around and slows you down in your workflow. In a PC, RAM serves the same purpose. It provides temporary storage for active tasks, allowing your CPU to access data instantly instead of waiting for slower storage devices like SSDs or HDDs. Unlike the storage drives, RAM is volatile memory, meaning it only holds data when the system is powered on. Once you shut down your PC, everything in the RAM is wiped clean. This makes RAM essential for real-time processing, ensuring smooth performance across applications, games, and multitasking scenarios. Now, let's talk about how RAM interacts with your CPU. When you open a program, your CPU fetches data from the storage and loads it into the RAM for quick access. The more RAM you have, the more data your system can store or for immediate use, reducing the needs to constantly pull information from slower storage devices. This is why having enough RAM is crucial for performance. Without it, your system will rely on virtual memory, which is significantly slower. For beginner builds on AM4 motherboards, the standard memory type is DDR4 RAM. Unlike newer platforms that use DDR5, AM4 motherboards are optimized for DDR4, offering a balance between speed, affordability, and compatibility. When selecting RAM, two key factors come into play: capacity and speed. Capacity refers to how much RAM your system has, typically measured in gigabytes. For basic tasks like web browsing, office work, 8 gigabytes is sufficient. For gaming and light content creation, 16 gigabytes is kind of the sweet spot. If you're landing heavy workloads like video editing or 3D rendering, 32 gigabytes or more may be necessary. Speed, on the other hand, is measured by megahertz, determines how fast the data moves between the RAM and the CPU. While the higher speeds can improve performance, the difference is often minimal for everyday tasks. Most AM4 motherboards support speeds between 2400 megahertz and 3600 megahertz, with 3200 megahertz being a great balance for most users. Another important factor is single channel versus dual channel. Dual channel RAM allows data to be processed in parallel, effectively doubling the bandwidth, improving performance. This is why 2 sticks of RAM instead of 1 is often recommended for better efficiency. So how do you choose the right RAM for your AM4 build? First, check your motherboard manufacturer specifications to ensure compatibility. QVL list. Then consider your use case if you're gaming. 16 gigabytes of DDR4 at 3200 megahertz is a solid choice. If you're working with demanding applications, 32 gigabytes or higher may be necessary. Understanding the RAM is essential before selecting parts to ensure you make the smart, informed decisions for your build. Exploring RAM installation, BIOS tuning, and best practices for stability and performance. Guys, look, this is just a comprehensive 4-minute video for you, so that way it'll get you started onto the next step. So, we got many more steps to go. I'm breaking these up into little parts. That way, it's easier for you to digest. So, what we're going to be doing on the next time, you'll have to stay tuned for the next video. So until then, we will see you on the next one.